Ya Baba, look, we have Mansouri over here. Mansouri Golanen yani. Ya aynı. Here at Festivals of Speed. This is pre-opening to the public. So we got a ZR1 over there. The whole Corvette section over here, it seems like. We got a Jeep Trackhawk. Man, there's some crazy cars over here. There's my LC over there, if you see it in the distance. And we'll keep on taking a look at what else there is in store for us over here. Cars are still loading in, as you can see.
Modern or classic?
Nice Viper over there. GSF. This MSO McLaren 600 LT. Pretty damn solid.
Only Ricky. He's here with Carlton group. They over there with the green.
Look at the scoop on the roof. The roof scoop. Pretty solid. MSO. Crazy. Let's check out the rear. This is the first time I'm seeing an Audi e-tron GT. I don't know. I think this is the RS version. Is it? Wow. Definitely over the Taycan, that's for sure. Look at that ass. Damn.
You want to take a look inside? Oh, I won't. Look at the wheels, Rick.
Yeah, I know. Wow.
Jump in. What's the horsepower on the auto? 637 horsepower. 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds.
What I love about the Audi e-tron GT RS is the fact that it actually keeps the whole layout of the vehicle is sort of, you know, conventional instead of your typical electric vehicle, and it feels like a regular car.
When you buy this, does the supercharger come with it and they install it in your house? How does it work?
You can buy it and they can install it.
So we got Mercedes corner over here. An S580, and this is the GLS Maybach. Look at the rears.
All right, now you come back here.
And that's a GLS 63 AMG. I kind of like this blue. It's a matte satin pastel blue. Really nice. I cannot believe there's a fucking GT Black Series right here. Jesus Christ. I could not believe it. Look at that. Oh my God. This is the epitome of AMG right here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So nice. Love the Louvre. Look at that opening over here. So sick. Look at that wing. Insane. I mean, this compared to anything else, look, even it's right next to a 488 Spider, and this is just like completely bonkers. Absolutely insane. I just want to go back to the GT. It's just insane. I love this. Got a nice GTR over here. It looks like he's got modified exhaust too. Oh my god, he's got Boost Logic exhaust, so he probably has some Boost Logic mods on this. This is probably pushing definitely over the stock power. Very nice. If you're wondering what's making all that noise, is that beast over there. We're at the main grounds right now, so we'll see like a bunch of crazy stuff. We see an Aston Martin DB11 Volante, Aston Martin Vantage. I think this is an AMR, if I'm not wrong. Looks like an AMR. Yeah, it's got the AMR sort of accents. I'll tell you right now. Oh, there you go. Aston Martin Vantage Coupe AMR. Yeah, this is a little bit more expensive just because it's an AMR. So it's a little bit more race oriented. Not like the F1 version of the Vantage that they just came out with. Still nice enough though. Moving on, we got a Murcielago SV. Very nice. This is a predecessor to the SV Aventador and the predecessor to the SVJ.
All right, everybody, spend some time on
All different collections. We
Now
have
looks like a
just save it. We have it.
Huracan
We look forward to
Performante.
as well, which is good.
That looks like
So please stop over.
Aventador,
Very happy.
not SVJ, but an Aventador
We also have
Spider.
Diamond.
This is definitely
the raffle will be at 3 p.m. today.
a Huracan Performante. That's an SVJ right there. That's some nice stuff.
And they are too. You know what?
We have
about a year ago.
a Huracan
Having Apple Watch.
RWS, if I'm not wrong. Another SVJ. Continuing on the Porsche side of things, we got a GT2 RS over here, which is an absolute beast of all beasts. And then we got the new GT3 over there in yellow. That's pretty damn nice. You can see the new front end, the new hood vents. Really nice stuff. That's really nice. And you'll be able to notice on the new GT3 the wider stance. Just to compare, you could see the 991.2 GT3 ass compared to the new 992 GT3 ass, and you'll see the difference between both. I guess new Porsches got some booty. Really nice. Extreme circle over here. You're gonna see a bunch of nice exotics that are more rare. You'll see a Speedtail in the back. You see an Elva over here. There's the Elva. Speedtail's behind it in blue. And then you'll see, oh my God, there's a McLaren GT over there as well. Nice GTR. So there's, I thought that mine was going to be the only LC, but look, there's another LC over here. I'm curious to know who this is.
It's just stock.
Yeah, it's stock though. Yeah. TTRS.
Speedtail's my favorite.
RWS. Nice F8. That looks like a 600 LT, 720S. That's an LM. That's an LM version of the. Why isn't it coming to my mind? That's the LM version of the Senna, right there.
Yeah, yeah.
Speedtail.
Is the Speedtail the top of the line from McLaren?
I think so. Oh, you got two Elvas. One in the middle over there, and then you got another red one over here. I'm surprised there's no 765 LTs. There's a GT over there. And let's see if we can get the back shots of these. So these are the backs of the GT, the 720, Alva, Speedtail, oh my God, and LM Senna. Look at that exhaust. Jesus Christ. That's crazy. And another Alva right here.
We invite you to come by our trailer. It's a showplace, showroom, mobile showroom. So please check us out. We're living Orlando. We do. Transform your garage into a beautiful space.
Look at the interior of this.
Cars that are out here. We do everything from the flake floors to color floors, stain floors, Swiss track floors, steel cabinets, organizers, car lifts. Lift can fit there. Basically, it's the height of the two cars that are going to be on there. Plus, you need a 6 inches above and 6 inches.
Very nice. This showed up, and it's freaking ridiculous. I mean, it is crazy.
This is a 250. I don't believe that. Yeah.
Well, you can see the people in front of it, just for, you know, give you a perspective. It is masivos. Masivo. You can see the full lineup of cars right here. We got in front of me a rare Ferrari Scaglietti. We got a Porsche 911 991.2 GT3. Behind this car, you'll see a C8, A12, Ferrari Roma, and SVJ. So that's a pretty crazy lineup on top of the lineup that we have in the rear. Right here we have a Pista, 488 Pista, infamous Audi RS6. We got a Ghibli Tesla Model 3 GT3 RS 991 generation. That's 458. And that's a crazy SF90 right there. SF90, Urus, GT3 RS, Huracan, 458 Spider, and that's basically it. We see a Audi R8 RWS there in the back, another C8, and yeah, that's nice, pretty lineup. That looks like G63 G-Wagon. So nice lineup, nice lineup. Good last main area over here where you can see SVJ in the middle. You have a Ferrari Roma over here.
And she currently has 29,000
488.
and in May next year she'll be celebrating
And
her 50th birthday.
there's your SF90 right there. SF90.
Brittany on wheels.
That's the SF90 right there.
Craftsmanship, Italian design in America.
Look at that.
Is it a Pisto?
All the best to you.
In my opinion, this car is 30 years before its time. So go ahead over and take a look and just keep walking past everything towards the people drove in.
That's a hybrid, 980 horsepower. Yep.
One of my faves. How about that?
Thank you very much. Please come by and say hi to me. Opposite the Lotus setup. Let's look at Lotus. Have a great day, bud.
All right, thank you, sir.
It's SVJ, the spec is absolutely insane. Those wheels are out of control. Man, the color on this is gorgeous.
It's like a bronze. It's
Yeah.
like a light bronze. Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh my god, this Novitec A12. Looks like an N-Largo over here. Jesus. Man, this thing is so wide.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Oh my god. Man, just look at the barrel on this, like carbon fiber barrel. I'm lost for words, man. I'm actually absolutely lost for words. I hope the color really comes out on this because it's absolutely insane. Look at the wheels. Look at that barrel. Oh my god. That is insane. Look how wide this N-Largo is at A12. Probably the nicest A12 you'll see out there, except for the Competizione. Ya Baba, look, we have Mansouri over here. Mansouri Golanen, yani. Ya Aine.
Over to the 821, you can hop in the driver's seat of one. Now, this is the state of Florida.
Crazy Mansouri package on this Cullinan.
Very safe. Now,
Ya Baba, look at this Mansouri. Ya Allah, Ya Mansouri.
down the road.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video as much as I had a blast filming it. I go to these type of shows about once a month and I ended up bringing my LC to this one as well. Here you'll see some pictures I took of other vehicles I did not include in the video, including a sick-ass Aventador with forged carbon, a modded Jeep Trackhawk, and a gorgeous Rolls-Royce Dawn with a dual-tone dark turquoise blue and satin black spec. Please comment below on what your favorites from the show were. And to my surprise, at the end of the event, my car ended up winning Best Wheels Award. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for my latest content. Till next time, adios.